Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about how to use GME plugin in a Wwise project in order to integrate voice chat into your game. Before doing that, you should make sure that GME plugin has already been installed. So open the Wwise launcher, click Plugins tab. Choose Wwise version you plan to use. So on my side, the GME plugin has already been installed. If it is not, just add plugins to do the installation. After installing GME plugin, GME information will be displayed here. Let's begin the Wwise project. So here it is an empty Wwise project. I only created one sound. In order to integrate GME, 4 plugins should be used. Let's talk about them step by step. The first step, go to System, click System. Here, add GME Session plugin into the last slot of effects string. The reason why doing this is because GME Session should observe the final audio output by the system for doing echo cancellation. Click GME Session. You can see that there are several parameters can be set. The first one is authentication key. In order to use GME service, the correct authentication key must be used. So in order to obtain this information, please go to your Wwise project page created by AudioKinetic. The other 2 parameters are just for doing the GME test in your Wwise project. The first one is room ID, which represents the channel ID. So players who form a team and would like to talk with each other should have the same room ID. User ID. Every player should have a unique user ID. So in the game, these 2 parameters will be set by GME APIs. After doing this step, we should create 2 new sounds. Create the first one. For example, name it GME receive. This sound is a responsible receiving voice. Click Add Source, choose GME Receive plugin, and then create another new sound. Name it GME Send. This sound is responsible for sending the local voice. So click Add Source, choose GME Source plugin. Unlike GME Receive sound, GME Send sound will record your local voice and send it to the GME server. So there is another step. Click Effects. Add the GME Send plugin to the last slot. The reason why doing this is because you still can add other DSP processing. For example, the voice change. For example, the reverberation. After creating these 2 new sounds, we can receive voice and also can send your local voice. So if you have another PC running GME, so you can just do the test here. After creating the new sound, we should create the corresponding GME events. So create play event for GME receive, and then create stop event for GME receive. For GME send, we should do the same thing. Create corresponding play event and stop event. So here you can see that all the events about GME send and receive has already been created. The last step is to generate the GME sound bank. So we should add all the GME sound and the GME events to this sound bank. And then we generate the sound bank according to the platforms that your game support. So in this demo video, I just generated all. After doing this step, the task for integrating GME in Wwise project is done. Woo! That's it. Thanks for your listening.